Okay, good morning guys. Today we're going to do our chicken asado burritos assembly. Just a quick video on how to put things together in order. Alright, first of all you want to have your tortilla or wrap, okay, but the first thing you want to do, you want to have it warm. So put on a tray, put it in the oven at 350 for maybe about 45 seconds or so. So I'm going to do that first before I assemble, because if you don't do that, it's going to crack when you try to wrap it and bend it. Okay, so you want it to be soft and malleable. Alright, so while we wait for that to warm up, I just want to show you my mise en place. I have toppings, I have my sour cream. Okay, about one ladle, one scoopful should be enough. Okay, I got my chicken asada that I cooked to 165. Okay, I use the wok to get some color and some high heat, very good flavor. Okay, I got my pico de gallo. Alright, make sure you shake it up, all that juice in the bottom gets together. Okay, I have my beautiful guac that we made. Okay, my Mexican cheese blend, which is pretty much Monterey Jack and cheddar and some other Mexican cheeses in there. I have my pickled jalapenos. I mean, you don't have to put all this stuff. And then one of the basic things, I have my burrito rice right here that I just made this morning. Okay, come see me for this, as well as homemade black beans. Okay, they're nice and stewed, and they are vegan, vegetarian. There's no meat in them. All right, but this does have chicken broth. Okay, just so you know. All right, let me check on my wrap and see when we're ready to go. Okay, so this is warm now, and I can wrap it easier. All right. So I'm going to just put my sour cream first. Just one scoop, press it down like a glue almost. Okay. And I'm going to put my rice. Okay. And try to aim for the middle area like that. All right. Okay. Some of my black bean. Okay. Okay. Depends on how much you want. You don't have to put that much. Okay. We also don't want to fill it up too much because it's going to burst. Okay. Let me just. I didn't have a spoon, so just spread that out. Try to have everything here, okay, in one spot. All right, now I'm going to put the cheese, okay? I'm going to put the cheese near the hot element here so it will melt. I got my chicken, a nice big handful of chicken. Remember, not too much. Press down with everything you put down there, okay? Got my pico de gallo. Okay, just put some on top here. Okay. Some guac, remember, use the guac conservatively. Guac is usually expensive, especially nowadays. It's so much money for all this avocado. All right. You can put an option. You can put more of this. You can put some sriracha, some other hot spices. I'm not going to make it too spicy because the chicken has a good amount of heat. The guac has some heat, so I don't want to really burn my booty on this one. All right. So now we're going to press down. So this is where the tricky bit is. All right. You want to bring it in like this. And then use your thumbs in the back and kind of just roll it forward and kind of crimp and roll like that. Okay? So now you kind of got like your little package here. All right, and I'll definitely come around and help you with this. It's a little tricky. And then we have our two-sided foil and wax paper, and then put it in the middle like this. I like to tuck it under and just roll, roll, and now you're ready. Okay? You put your name on it. Label it. I'll put my name on this one, if you guys know what that means. Okay, you could actually put it back in the oven for a couple minutes. I'm actually going to do this. I'm actually going to put this one in the warmer. I'm going to have it for lunch, so it'll be even hotter and gooier and meltier. Okay, so let's get together and wrap this. And that's just a quick cross section that I cut in half. Okay, you can see everything nicely layered. All right, very delicioso.